The overall experience was really nice.
The general experience was amazing.
I wasn't sure what to expect. How accurate can we get to simulating what life on Mars would look like from Earth?
MDRS was an opportunity to actually see how an analog astronaut mission would work like, and to be an astronaut or be in that situation.
Being able to be in that setting really allows you to apply some of the things that we've learned in our classes directly while you don't even realize it. When I walked into the habitat and I understood the different modules that are there, how they interact with each other, how our communication works across the different modules, as well as what are the procedures that we have. Being able to relate that back to our classes was really interesting because we now it's a direct application of that.
One thing that missions like MDRS or analog astronaut missions do provide you is perspective. Whether you're actually becoming an astronaut or you're designing for space habitats or designing engineering systems that go up in space, you have that perspective in mind because you remember what your experience was like, so you can account for that.
For me, wanting to be an astronaut someday, this taught me a lot about living in isolation, using the resources you have around you.
You get to feel how an astronaut is, and those experiences shape your character to be an astronaut. Or at least you realize that, hey, this is not something for me. I have to step out right now.
I was really excited to go on EVAs and be able to go outside.
The experience was really incredible. Putting on those suits, it was like 40 pounds or something. You can't really hear anything outside of it once you have that on. And that really just, I guess, made it feel more real.
But I see an opportunity as a research as well over there.
Something that's unique that works with our Purdue crews is that we propose our own research.
The one thing I really got out of it was kind of like taking this experiment to execution and really going through that whole process, really hands-on. You can do that through other studies or methods done at Purdue, but for space industry specific, this is really a good opportunity, I think.
I want to be an astronaut someday, so this was a really good first step in learning about what it takes and also gaining some of those skills that you might not gain from being in school.